Hello everyone. This printer is Canon MG3650. I received a question. Someone asked how to print network configuration report. Once you connect the printer to a network, and if you want to print out network configuration report, what you need to do is go to the control panel, press and hold the Wi-Fi button, and the power on light is flashing. Then you release it, then press the button again, then release it, then you wait. So now it's printing out network configuration page. This is network configuration page. It will tell you the product name, wireless LANs. It will tell you the product information, product name, version, serial number, wireless LAN enabled, MAC address, WPS pin code, infrastructure enabled, and also show you the network is connected. So this is how to print network configuration page. Thank you very much.